Ever wonder what YouTube uses to determine what videos to show to you? What if I told you understanding the algorithm of YouTube could help you to grow your channel faster? Well, in today's video, I'm going to break down the YouTube algorithm for you so that you can use it to your advantage to grow your channel faster. So, what is the YouTube algorithm? The YouTube algorithm is a system that matches people with content that they're interested in watching based on what they've watched in the past, what they've clicked on or engaged with in the past, and also based on what they have used as keywords to search for answers to their problems online. And YouTube is always trying to match the right people with the right content because their number one goal on YouTube is to have people watch videos forever. They want people on their platform for as long as humanly possible. Thus, they want to match people with the right content that they are interested in viewing so that they don't click off and they stay on that video and then they watch the next video and the next video and the next video. And why is this so important to YouTube? YouTube gets paid for placing ads in your videos. And you also, if you get monetized into the YouTube Partner Program, can also make money from those ads as well. But that's the main purpose of YouTube, is to keep people watching so that they see those ads and so that YouTube can make money from those ads. That's their main business model. So they want people to watch videos and stay on as long as possible. Thus, each person coming to YouTube has a different experience on the YouTube homepage. They will be shown different videos depending on who they are and what they have watched in the past. But the key factors that YouTube uses to recommend videos to your audience, perhaps, in order to connect your video with your audience, is number one, watch time. The longer someone stays on your video, the more likely they will promote your video to more people. That's why it is absolutely essential if you want to grow your channel to create engaging content. And knowing the goal of YouTube and the algorithm is to get people to watch longer, that will encourage you to create content that is both engaging and keeps people watching. Another thing to pay attention to is engagement levels with your videos. YouTube loves engagement, and that means likes, people liking your videos, subscriptions, people subscribing to your channel, comments, people commenting below your video, and shares, people sharing your content to other people. YouTube loves to see that activity on your videos. And if they see that activity on your videos, they will push your videos out to more people. Because if they're engaging with your content, that means they're watching it and they're interested in it and it provides value to them. And if they're getting value, they're going to stay on the platform longer. And if they stay on the platform longer, they're going to see more ads. Do you see where this is going? It's not rocket science. So the tip here is to not be afraid to engage with your audience. Ask them to comment below. Do you like this video? Comment below. What do you want to see from me next? Comment below. I would love to hear from you. Comment below or ask a specific question. Did you like tip number 3 or did you find tip number 4 more useful? Let me know in the comments below. You can ask them to like and subscribe to your channel. Hey, if you're getting value from this content, please like and subscribe to this channel. It really will help me to get my content out to more people. And another way is to ask people to share the video. Hey, if you like this video and you have a friend that you think might benefit from this video, please share this video and let them know about it so that they can get the help they need. You want to encourage engagement with your videos in order to help YouTube algorithm to see that your videos are special and people like them and people value them and they're engaging with them. Thus, they will promote them to a larger and larger population on YouTube. So another key ingredient here is relevance. The ability to make your videos relevant to what your viewer is searching for, what your audience needs. So you want to make content that is relevant to your audience, right? And use terminology and words in your video that relate to your audience. For example, my audience is new YouTubers, people trying to grow on YouTube. So I am constantly talking about YouTube, metrics, algorithm, sales funnels, building a business, side hustle, online business. A lot of that terminology is in my niche. The next key ingredient is the click-through rate. This is how often people click on your videos when it's shown to them, when it's impressed upon them with an impression. The click-through rate is the amount of people that click on your videos per the times it's shown to them. So if they click on it once out of every 10 times they're shown your video, you have a 10% click-through rate. If you have a higher click-through rate, it means that your thumbnails and titles are catching the attention of viewers and they're actually clicking on them because they seem appealing and relevant to them, as we just spoke about relevance. And that's why thumbnails and titles are so important for growing your YouTube channel. So now that you know the key ingredients that the algorithm is using to match the videos with the viewers, you can use that to your advantage when you create your content. Number one, create content with high value. So create content that people want to watch, that's engaging for them, that's relevant to your community or the audience you're trying to attract. You want to encourage engagement, so encourage likes, shares, comments. Of course, optimize your titles and thumbnails to include SEO, to include good keywords that will be searchable, that your audience is searching for in order to find solutions to their problems. And of course, consistency matters. So the more you upload, the more consistent you upload, and how often you are engaging with your community, all triggers the algorithm to believe that you are active on your channel and people are interested in seeing what you're putting out there. And so it will continue to push your content out to those people and beyond. So how can you track if you're even doing this well, if you're even using the algorithm to your advantage, even if you do start to implement these tactics? Number one would be to look in your YouTube analytics and start to look at your CTR, your click-through rate, and start to see, is that increasing? A good click-through rate is, anywhere between 4 and 10%. Of course, you're always aiming for higher, but between 4 and 10% is good. If it's less than 2%, you really need to look at adjusting your thumbnails and titles. Watch time, check your watch time hours. Are people watching your videos long? How long are they staying on? What is the average view retention of your videos? If you have a 10-minute video, is it only 2 minutes? So is it only 20% of your video? You want to get it closer to 50%. 50% is a good place to aim for your videos. You want people to watch at least 50% of your videos. And then engagement is really easy to look at as well. Are people liking your videos? Are they subscribing to your channel? Are you getting lots of views? And lastly, is anyone sharing your content or commenting on it? So to summarize, the YouTube algorithm looks for factors like click-through rate, watch time hours, relevancy, engagement, consistency, and all the things we've mentioned here today. But I want you to keep this in mind. Be patient. The algorithm doesn't work overnight. But if you keep on focusing on making great content that your users and audience will love and getting better and better with each video upload, YouTube will take notice. The algorithm will notice you, and it will push your content out to more and more and more people, and you will continue to grow your YouTube channel in a successful manner. So hang in there, you've got this, and these are just some ways to get you going faster. And if you want some extra help with this, I do have a new YouTuber checklist listed in the description below that you can grab for free, and it helps walk you through step by step all the things you need to think about and do as a new YouTuber. Anyway, see you in the next video. Bye for now.